Is period poop real or no? Hello, Divine Feminine. Welcome to Divine Feminine Wellness. I am your Cycle Harmony coach, Lindsay Christian. All right, so let's dive in and talk about this topic when it comes to period poop. Oof, what is that? Okay, so let's dive in and talk more about it. All right, so this happens because of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins helps the uterus contract and shed its lining, but it also affects your intestines and leading to cramping and diarrhea. It can also affect the lining of your stomach and increase acid production, and that can reduce a protective mucus lining. When you have high amounts of prostaglandins, this also can stimulate the vomiting center in the brain, which can contribute to the nausea or an upset stomach. And if you already have IBS, then this can feel even worse right before your next period due to having a very sensitive gut towards prostaglandins. During your luteal phase, which is the phase right before your next cycle, you have an increase of the hormone called progesterone. Progesterone contributes to slower digestion, and it's also a natural diuretic, which means that your body would release water more frequently. However, if you're not drinking enough water, your body can feel dehydrated, which causes for your body to hold on and retain the water even more. So that combination of slower digestion and less water can contribute to constipation. So then when this hormone drops, the body will release anything that it's been holding on to on top of the increase of prostaglandins. Now, I've already talked about prostaglandins and what actually contributes to that in the painful cramping video that you can watch right here. So although prostaglandins are kind of the chemical that's making all of this happen, it can actually be reduced whenever we have less inflammation in our bodies. So some things that can help you are going to be more increased fiber-rich foods to balance your digestion, staying hydrated and drinking plenty of water, especially during your luteal phase when progesterone is higher, to reduce constipation and help create more balance. You can incorporate some peppermint or ginger tea for soothing digestive tract. Avoiding caffeine and greasy food right before and during your period is going to be really helpful to reduce inflammation and digestive distress. Of course, if you're experiencing severe diarrhea where you feel really sick or seeing any kind of bleeding or things like that when it comes to going to the bathroom, definitely speak to your doctor and get that looked at because there could be some underlying issues as well. Is period poop real? It absolutely is. It is something that it almost feels like you can't even control it. But if we could take some proactive approaches by drinking more water during our luteal phase to help with a balanced flow and getting more fiber in our diets, I think we'll feel a whole lot better when it gets down to this phase. Thank yourself so much for showing up today, and thank you for tuning in to Divine Feminine Wellness.